Watchmaker, break.
Southeast Pennsylvania. I got your numbers on there, bro. 463. Southeast of the Keystone State.
Waving a hand at your watchmaker. Sounding good up here in the Northeast.
You always sounding good there, sir. Station 122 always sounds wonderful coming in Texas.
In the mail, and I heard you jump.
I just wanted to spike it down, let you know you're rolling up the East Coast loud and proud.
All right, buddy, you two have a good one there, Mr. 122. I'll be back on the side.
Right back at you. Sound real good. It's quiet up here at the moment.
Yeah, you just came in here and just took it into the red.
Tell the 4878 stepped on his forehead, 122.
I'd tell him that, but I'm not quite sure if you did 4878.
Hey, 07.
I think Watchmaker might have edged you out just a tad. Not sure.
Hey, I'm gonna come in and get some offset lug nuts for a Freightliner.
You look out good. C5.
I had to grab another gear. We got a couple of guys in the Carolinas, we do.
And 920 came in and cleared it up.
There you go. That's how I had to do it. I had to grab another couple of gears there because I was on the low side, but I wanted to get in on this little 1-2 jab punches. Let them know I rolled a 5 to both of them.
Roger, 920. You want me to roll a nickel to that Watchmaker and that 4878? We just did.
If you know the formula, pretty much the same thing. 75, top shelf, sounds good. 163 on this Bud Duck station. Hey, 122. Hey, see if you can find me some offset lug nuts for a Freightliner. There's pictures of it that are all over the place.